Hey Trailblazers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Ikanihiwe and I'm a remote work strategist. Have you been stuck with your remote job journey? Like you've been searching, you're not getting any response, or you've been applying and getting ghosted? Now, in this video, I'm going to be taking you on 10 practical steps on how you can land your first remote job that pays in dollars, in pounds, and these steps are absolutely beginners friendly. So even if you don't have an experience, you've never worked in a remote setting, now this video is your go-to. Now, just before we get right into it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I post a video. And also, don't forget to like and comment. Now, let's dive right into this video. Step 1, identify beginner-friendly roles. Now, look into roles that do not need too much of experience. We're looking at roles like customer service, customer support, virtual assistant. These are roles that do not require too much of experience. Now, identify these roles and you can get started with these roles. Step 2, learn high in demand skills. Now, these are skills that are highly sought out for. Hiring managers are looking at the skills, recruiting managers are looking at the skills. You can go to Coursera, you can go to your Google, you can go to HubSpot, learn these in demand skills, learn how to make use of Canva, learn how to make use of your Google Workspace, learn how to make use of Slack. These are high in demand skills that recruiters look out for. And within a week or within few days, you can learn them and wrap it up. Step number 3, get a remote ready CV. Now, it is now time for you to revamp or create a remote ready CV. In this CV, you need to highlight your skills, highlight your remote skills, your transferable skills. And if you are a beginner, like you've never had to work in a remote working space, highlight some of the skills that are remote friendly, that are transferable. Skills like communication, skills like time management. These are skills that are needed in the remote workspace, and these are skills you can highlight on your CV. And also, even if you volunteer previously, you can highlight that role as a volunteer, remote volunteer. Highlight it on your CV. Let the recruiter see what you have done previously. Also, ensure that your CV is well tailored to the job description you'll be applying for. At every point in time, you ensure that you tailor your CV before you apply for a job. Step number 4, set up a strong LinkedIn profile. Do you have a LinkedIn profile? If you do not, go on your browser and search for LinkedIn. Create a profile. Now, your profile has to be strong, well optimized. Now, one of the things you want to look into in creating a strong LinkedIn profile is firstly, your profile picture, a professional headshot. Secondly, your headline, highlighting the roles that you are open to or highlighting your expertise. Also, your bio, stating what value you'll be bringing into the job or any role you'll be getting. And also ensure that your work experience are well highlighted in your LinkedIn profile, and ensure that you're engaging on LinkedIn. Don't just have a profile you're not engaging with. Engage on your LinkedIn because this opens you to a lot of people, opens you to recruiters. Your LinkedIn profile sells you first, even before any recruiter wants to get to know you. And if you'll be working remotely, you need a good online presence. And your LinkedIn profile gives you that. So your LinkedIn profile needs to be well optimized to give you the kind of online presence you need to sell you faster. Step number 5, use hidden job sites, job boards that I've never heard of, or job boards that are open to Africa. If you live in Africa currently, if you live in Nigeria or you live in anywhere in Africa, use this job board. 1, use Matchly. 2, use pepper.com. And 3, use TechWaka. These are job sites that are open to Africans or Nigerians, and you can absolutely go on this website and search for jobs. Step number 6, your cover letter. You need to have a well crafted cover letter. So for me, I would say don't just have 1 or 2 cover letter, have many cover letter. And if you need prompt on how to craft cover letter on ChatGPT, just comment on the comment section, cover letter prompt, and I will have it sent to you. Step number 7, as a beginner in the remote workspace, you also want to look into freelance and internships. Yes, this is one way to get a good job in no time. So don't hesitate to apply for freelance jobs. Don't hesitate to apply for internships. With that, you get to build your hands-on experience. And in the next few months, you can start applying for big roles that can pay you well. But also remember, there are also internships that can pay you. They are paid internships. So you also want to look into these paid internships because at this point, you want to offer your skills, gain hands-on experience, and explore senior level or mid-level roles. Step number 8, create a portfolio. You want to have a portfolio, make use of Notion, you can make use of CAD, or you can also make use of your Google Drive to create a portfolio for yourself where you have your CV, you have project you have done previously, put into this portfolio. So when recruiters go to your portfolio, they already have an insight into your skills and they've seen previous jobs you've done or previous projects you've handled. So create a portfolio. Step number 9, practice interview questions. I mean, interviews will start coming in if you follow the steps the way I highlighted them from number 1 to number 8. Now, number 1 is for you to practice interview questions. You can search out for frequently asked questions in your field. Also, make use of the STAR method in answering your interview questions. So, practice your interview questions frequently. Prep for your interview. For every interview you get, ensure you prep for that interview using the job descriptions and also frequently asked questions. Step number 10, join a support group. So if you are just getting started in the remote workspace, you really want to join a support group. You want to join a group that can hold your hands, that can help you navigate the remote workspace. The remote work job search can be draining, can be exhausting. I mean, once you're doing this alone or working on it alone. But if you have a support group that is there to support you, trust me, you would navigate the remote workspace easily. The journey will be smooth. Now, if you're interested in joining a support group, I currently run a community called the Remote Trailblazers Hub. You can absolutely join. Just type Remote Trailblazers and I will send the link for you to join the support group. So this in the support group, we also get to post job links, we give support, and I also share tips on how you can clinch remote jobs and website you probably has you've never heard of where you can apply for remote jobs, especially websites that are open to those in Africa. Now, just comment Remote Trailblazers and I'll have the link sent to you to join my community. Remember, you don't need all the experience to secure a remote job. When I started in the remote working space, I didn't have much of an experience, but I was able to clinch high paying remote jobs. Now, all you need is to follow the steps that I've highlighted in this video. And also, if you need more tips, follow me. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to turn on your notification bell. If this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you need to join my community, the Remote Trailblazer Hub, I'm going to be putting the link in the description to my community so you can join. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for tuning in today. Bye.